Hi everyone, welcome to day 9 of my 30-day personal growth challenge. So today is a Saturday and I'm kind of treating it as a day off just because I have noticed myself in the past and I also feel like I have a tendency to work on all the days, whether it's related to my job or my goals. And I've observed this after I've become like this after I moved to Toronto. So if you didn't know, I moved here to do my post graduation, and before I moved here, I had a pretty good balance wherein I was working in a full time job and it was an office job. So, Monday to Friday, I would work, and then during the weekends, like my weekends were my day off, and I would just do like the usual things to, relax and chill out. I would hang out with my friends, spend time with my family, and go for shopping or eating out or go to the movies. And every weekend what I would do is on both Saturday and Sunday I would go to a nature trail wherein I could see peacocks and I could see monkeys, and I would spend about 2 hours there just walking around. And then there was these local food places where they would cook breakfast, like fresh breakfast. So I would have there and spend like at least 2 to 3 hours every morning. Sorry, not every morning, every weekend morning, and then come back. And it was my time off and just some time to spend away from the electronics and all of those things. But after I moved here, it slowly started with my college assignments. So during the weekends, I would like work on those assignments, and then I started working part time, so that added on. And the worst thing was during my second semester, wherein I had to work on, I would go to the college and I had to work on all these assignments and projects, and then I was working part time and I had my internship. So initially I remember that I was feeling very overburdened and really hectic, but what I don't remember is when I got used to it. I really don't remember that, and now it's very difficult for me to dial back and just take a day off. And I feel it's really important, especially now when if most of you are working from home, it's really difficult to balance like or draw a line between your personal and work life, because everything happens in the same like physical space. So I feel it is important, and the way I look at it is like we are, like phones. And I'm sorry if it's a really bad comparison, but this is how like I understand it. If you keep using your phone like throughout the day without giving it any rest, it it does not have a long life, and you need to take care of your phone. You need to be like not able to use it, and then you need to be able to charge it so that you can use it the next day. And I see it like when you're using the phone is when we are working, and when we are doing all these activities. When we are not using is resting with intention. I have made a video on that. If you're interested about that concept, like, you can go look at it. And then when you're charging your phone is when you're taking your days off, so just to recharge yourself a bit, and so that you perform your best throughout the week. That's how I look at it. Hopefully I've been able to explain this as simply as I can. And I thought, and I'm of late I've been really intentional about taking such days off. Today is that day for me. Last night before I slept, I kind of switched off my alarms so that I can wake up naturally, and it was really nice to get some extra hours of sleep. After that, after I woke up, I had a couple of calls with my friends. That was nice, talking to them, long chats and deep conversations. That was really nice. And after that, I had a really yummy brunch. And what else did I do this morning? Oh yeah, I'm watching a show on Netflix. It's called The New Girl. If you like sitcoms, romantic comedies, I feel you'll enjoy it. Just check it out. It's a really like easy and fun show. And then I went out to get my groceries. That I was running really low. I had to get it, so I went out and Sorry. I am so sorry about that. I usually put my phone on silent when I'm filming, but today I just forgot about it. So yeah, we were talking about groceries. I was running pretty low and so I had to go get it. And after I came back, I read this book for some time. It's called The Authenticity Project. It's a very nice book, a fun novel, easy to read. If you have been thinking about, reading books but you haven't read a lot, these are the books that you can start with, like novels, fictional stories, which does not have too much like knowledge stuff. It's just for entertainment. Start with these kind of books and slowly you can transition to non-fiction and knowledge-based books. So the very first books that I read were from Sophie Kinsella. Very nice. I love her writing style and I just love her novels. And then I transitioned to books like, it is fictional but still it's very knowledgeable. Books like Alchemist and Aristotle and Dante discovered the secrets of universe, all such kind of books where it kind of is in both areas. And then I transitioned to like complete self-help, non-fiction and knowledge-based books. So that's something you can do. And I did that, and my plan for rest of the day is to watch a movie. Oh, let me tell you about this. So me and my friend, we have a thing called Film Club, and I promise it sounds way fancier than it is. It's not something huge at all. It's just something that we've been doing from a long time, wherein one week I decide a movie that we should watch and both of us watch, and then the other week my friend decides and then both of us watch it. And after every movie we have a call wherein we discuss about how, like, whether we like the movie or not, what aspects of the movie did we like, and all of it. And these discussions go from somewhere around 10-15 minutes to about half an hour. So I'll be watching that movie today, and if you're interested, this week's movie is called Diya. It's a Kannada movie and it was actually recommended to me by my sister. I thought like we can watch it as part of our film club. So I'm gonna be doing that today. And before I start watching that movie, I'll cook my dinner, and while having the dinner I can watch the movie. So it's just a pretty regular chill day, something that I'm trying to be more intentional with. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.